Last week I went to bushcraft with Bo Deer. It was a camp out for all things bushcraft, and one of the items that he was handing out was this hydrating gel, and it's supposed to be quicker at rehydrating your body than water. So I wanted to give it a try and a review. I'm just starting a hike. I'm about a mile and a half into the hike. It's upper 70s already in Florida on a Saturday morning, so I think it'll be a good opportunity to test exactly how it tastes, whether or not it hydrates quicker than water, and my thoughts about it. So it is kind of like applesauce consistency, maybe a thick applesauce. It's orange flavor. There's definitely an orange taste to it. I will say it is different hydrating this way using a gel than drinking water, but the consistency is pretty good. I would say that's probably going to be the biggest thing for most people is getting over the consistency and the texture. But it's got good flavor. Definitely hydrates your mouth. You do have to chew it a little bit. This whole package has 15 calories, 0 fat, no saturated fat, no trans fats, no cholesterol. Sodium is 5 milligrams, no sugars. Potassium is 20 milligrams. So it does have some, it's gluten-free, no allergens. It says to consume 1 packet every 3 to 4 hours. And it says to consume 25 to 30 minutes prior to physical activity and or exposure to harsh ambient temperatures. So I think it's pretty good. Again, I think the biggest thing for people will probably be the texture and just getting over the fact that it is hydrating your body, even though it definitely is not the traditional way of doing that. It's lighter than a bottle of water, which, if you do a lot of hiking, long hikes, weight is a big factor, and the less weight that you're carrying around, the better. So I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, the flavor is 6. Texture is good. Definitely hydrates your mouth, and I think the bottom line is that I would go out and definitely buy this. I was not, they are not my sponsor. I was not paid to give this review. Just wanted to do my honest review on it, since I did pick this up last week, and this is the first chance I've had to use it. So I will be back in a couple of hours. I've still got a little bit left to go on my hike. So I will come back on, let you know how I'm feeling, and probably have another one towards the end of my hike. And I just wanted to hop on here and give you an update on my aqua gard review. It's been about an hour and a half and 3 miles since I had the first one, and I'm just now starting to feel like I need to rehydrate a little bit. So I'd say, to use this little amount of gel to last for an hour and a half and 3 miles in the Florida sun, to not have to hydrate, is pretty successful. So overall, I would give it a 9 out of 10. The only thing I would point out again is that it is the consistency and the texture is like chunky applesauce. So certainly it's not like grabbing a bottle of water and swallowing the liquid. You chew it a little bit and then swallow. But given that it's lightweight, doesn't need refrigeration, it's long lasting, and it keeps forever, you can throw a bunch in your bag and really probably not notice any weight difference. Unlike if you threw 2 or 3 bottles of water in your pack, you would certainly feel that weight. So overall, I'd give it a 9 out of 10.